Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing soap, how to do washing soap for dishes. So the ingredients I'll be using to do this soap is my soda. This one is soda, 2 liters of water, and 5 liters of cooking oil. This one is 2 liters, this one is 2 liters. I have another 1 liter here. This one is not to 1 liter, but I have some other oil here with washing soap. You also need a bowl and a mixing stick. So the first thing I will be doing is to pour the water into the bowl. After which, I'll be adding my soda. When adding your soda, you should be careful and stay far from it. Adding my soda gently. Nice, my 2 liters of soda, and I stir. Stir very well. You stir very well. After which, I'll be adding my cooking oil, my used cooking oil. You add the oil gently. As you are adding it, you are stirring to and stay very far from it. You add it gently and be stirring like this. There are some dirt in this oil, so I'll be filtering it. This oil is used oil. This is 2 liters. I'll add another 2 liters to it. And be stirring. Make sure you are a bit far from it so that it will not splash on you. You add it gently. As you are adding it, you are stirring it so that your soap will come out beautiful and fine. You stir gently. I'll be filtering this one also because it has some dirt in it. Because it's used oil. So I'll be adding the other 1 liter to it. So we are doing 5 liters of soap. dirty this. Only this one. I use this one today to fry plantain. So you keep on stirring. You're stirring like this. So it's now the time for my liquid soap to go in. All this we go in. I hope my soap comes out well. Comes out beautiful. you can see, it's getting thick. I'm almost through with the soap. You can see it's getting thick, very thick now. But I'll still turn it for about 15 minutes before I stop. So see you guys, I'm coming back to show you guys the outcome. So how do you know if the soap is ready? Depend on the thickness. As you can see, our soap is thick now. You can hear the sound. Look at it. Now the soap is ready. This soap will come out beautiful and fine, and it will foam very well. This is for washing dishes, pots. You can still use it to wash clothes if you wish to. It's very thick now, as you can see. Look at it, very thick. Very thick. This one will come out very beautiful. Look at it. Look at it, guys. It's very thick. Our soap is ready. So right now, I'll pour it into a can. This is for house use. It's not to be sold. I'm not selling it. It's for house use. Look at it. Very thick. Let me take the camera closer. Very thick. See, it's very thick, very thick. So this is our soap. We'll allow it to dry. Like in 2 days time, the soap will be dry and will be strong and ready for use. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, give this video a like, and follow me for more videos like this also. Thank you. Ciao. Hello guys, so this is the outcome of our soap. It's ready for use. I did this soap on Sunday evening, and today is day 2. Today is on Tuesday. The soap is ready for use. As you can see, it's very strong. This one I'll give one to Ushe. You know Ushe, you guys know Ushe, my friend. I'll give one to Ushe. I'll give one to my neighbor, then I'll give one to my landlord, then I'll give one to my other friend, Edna. So these two, I'll be using this one and this one. This soap will last so much. It lasts so much, and you can use it to wash pots, you can use it to wash dishes. It's very nice. It's very, very nice. And this soap can last as long as 4 months in my house. But if it's only me that is using it, it will last for like 6 months. But it's my boys that are washing plates. They don't know how to manage soap. So it will be lasting like 4 months in my house. And I like using this soap. I don't like using the other liquid soap because my boys, they don't know how to manage soap. If I buy that liquid soap, it will only last 1 week in my house. You see, it lasts only 1 week in my house. My son, the way they use it to wash with, I don't know. They waste the soap so much. But this one too, they still waste this one though. But it's better off. It's better off. That's why I like making soap. So if you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Ciao.